Vlogmas. I know it's not the 25th day, it's not Christmas Day, but that's because I am not posting on Christmas. I am just going to be with my family. I'm not going to worry about staying up really late. I'm done. And I think that it has been such a wonderful Vlogmas this year. I've really enjoyed it. It's been a pretty hectic year for us too. And I know that that was really reflected in this Vlogmas, but you know, that was life. That's how everything went. And I just got done wrapping all my gifts and cleaning the house, and all I want is a silent night, just to be able to enjoy the rest of this season that is left, and to just take it all in, and to be here with the kids and with Jorge, and you know, just what it's all about for us to be together, and to enjoy all of this that we spend so much time pouring into to make these days special for ourselves and for the family. And I look forward to that. So anyway, I had this goal of not having to go out, not having to do really much of anything else on Christmas Eve, and I think that I'll be able to just stay home. So I'm just looking forward to this day of rest, and of just kind of looking back and thinking, you know, how thankful I am that I stuck with it each and every day, and that I'm so thankful for all of you who have been here with me, who have left such kind comments and words of encouragement, and that you've just been here with me this season. And I think of you as some of you have reached out to me letting me know that you're struggling this season. I'm keeping you in prayer. I know that this past Christmas, last Christmas, was really difficult for me. And this last year was, not since moving here, but before that, like when we moved, I was going through a lot in that time. And you know, it's been quite the journey, I will say, and so much has happened, so much has taken place in a short amount of time. And I think that I'm ready. I'm ready for a fresh start in the new year. Something we've discussed is letting go of the other house in Cedar, and I think it's time. And so we talked to my dad and my stepmom about that, and I think that they agree. And you know, that home was such a blessing to us for so many different reasons, but one of the things that I was telling my aunt about when she was here was how it was a place of healing for me in a time of deep sorrow. And I think a lot of that was reflected in my work in that time. And you know, we go through these different seasons, and there's a need for all of them, even in those times when things are like when we're feeling down, when we're feeling sad. Even the Bible talks about how sadness is important. It's something that could be of great benefit to us. And so if you're in a season of sadness, just know that there is something better on the other side, and that, you know, just these temporary feelings that we are feeling right now, they're not going to be the end. And I hope that you can take comfort in that, because when we're in a particular season, sometimes it can feel like this is it. This is how it's always going to be. And if we know anything, everything changes. So even this season that I'm in right now, it's not going to last forever. And there's just so much to be grateful for, no matter what season you are in. And so I just encourage you to look for the light in that season. And everything isn't always going to be clear to us, you know, especially when we're in it. It's not always clear, but there is so much good, and we know the reason for the good. And that's something to really keep in mind. So anyway, before I just start rambling about all the things, I'm just going to leave you here, because I just want you to know that this has been a wonderful month for me. A wonderful month for me to connect with all of you and to share with all of you. And I do not regret sharing Vlogmas this year. I think that there have been years where I have that I just wish I hadn't, because it was too much for me, maybe in whatever season it was that I was in. But this one was really great. It was a challenge, of course, but you know, things that are worth it are definitely a challenge most of the time. So that will be it for me. I'm not saying that this is my last video of the year by any means, but I am going to take a couple of days off, and I hope that you enjoy your time with your family and loved ones, and that you have a very Merry Christmas. And if I don't see you before the new year, a Happy New Year too. But I do plan on, you know, making a couple more before the end of the year. But thank you so much for being here with me today and this month, if you have. And if you've missed any of those videos, I hope that you will check out my Vlogmas 2025 playlist. And if you would like to see the extended versions of Vlogmas, I hope that you will go to my Patreon channel, where I've shared a few. And with that, I'm going to leave you here. So thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.
Inspired by Nikkiyt. On today's episode, I won a raffle.
Woo!
I ate my way into this mess, I can walk my way out.